Poor circulation is one of those silent problems that slowly steals your energy, your mobility, and even your sleep without you noticing. Maybe your feet feel cold all the time, maybe your legs feel heavy, maybe you wake up tired even after a full night's rest. And while millions of people struggle with slow, sluggish blood flow, what most don't know is that some foods can start improving circulation in as little as 12 hours. Yes, your kitchen can heal you faster than you imagine. Today, I'm going to share 8 powerful foods that open up blood vessels, strengthen your arteries, boost nitric oxide, and bring warm, oxygen-rich blood back to your legs, hands, brain, and heart. Let's start with a truth most people ignore: your blood vessels are alive. They respond instantly to what you eat. One meal can constrict them, and one meal can expand them. So the moment you start eating the right foods, your circulation improves within hours. And the first food on this list is one of the fastest working. Beets. If you want a natural nitric oxide booster, beets are the king. Nitric oxide relaxes your blood vessels, opening them wider so more blood can flow with less pressure. Studies show that beetroot juice can increase blood flow in as little as 30 to 90 minutes. That's why athletes use it to improve performance. If your legs feel heavy, if your feet get cold, a single glass of beetroot juice or a serving of cooked beets can make a noticeable difference by the same evening. Blend it with lemon or apple for better taste, and you have a circulation-boosting powerhouse. Second, we have garlic. This tiny, simple kitchen ingredient is more powerful than many medicines when it comes to improving blood flow. Garlic contains allicin, a compound that helps reduce inflammation in the arteries, dissolves buildup, and makes your blood less sticky. Within hours of eating raw or lightly cooked garlic, your arteries begin to relax and widen. Adding 1 or 2 cloves into your meals daily can significantly improve circulation, especially to the legs. If you can handle it raw, even better, crush it, let it sit for 10 minutes, and swallow it with water. The third food is dark chocolate, but the right kind. We're talking about 70% or higher cocoa. Cocoa is rich in flavonols, which increase nitric oxide in the body and help blood vessels become more flexible. A small piece of dark chocolate can increase blood flow within a few hours. The key is moderation, a small piece, not the whole bar. This is a delicious way to improve circulation without feeling like you're on a strict diet. Next, number 4, citrus fruits. Oranges, lemons, grapefruits, anything rich in vitamin C. Vitamin C is essential for strong arteries because it helps your body manufacture collagen, the material that keeps blood vessels elastic and resilient. When your vessels are stiff, blood struggles to flow freely. But when they're flexible, circulation improves immediately. Drinking a glass of lemon water in the morning or eating an orange as a snack can boost blood flow the same day. Plus, vitamin C helps reduce inflammation and keeps plaque from forming inside your arteries. The fifth food that works faster than you'd expect is ginger. Ginger warms the body naturally, increases blood movement, and reduces oxidative stress. It also helps thin the blood slightly, allowing it to move more easily through narrow or stiff vessels. Drinking ginger tea, chewing fresh ginger, or adding it to your meals can improve circulation within hours. If you constantly feel cold hands and feet, ginger is your best friend. Number 6, leafy greens, especially spinach and arugula. These vegetables are packed with natural nitrates, the same kind that beets contain, and they convert into nitric oxide in your body. That means stronger, wider, more open arteries. Eating a salad made with spinach or blending arugula into a smoothie can give you a noticeable circulation boost before the day ends. Leafy greens also help reduce blood pressure, which automatically improves the flow of oxygen to the muscles and organs. The seventh food is one that surprises many people: walnuts. These little nuts contain omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and L-arginine, an amino acid that increases nitric oxide. Walnuts also help reduce inflammation in the blood vessels, making them smoother on the inside. When your arteries are inflamed, blood flow slows down like traffic on a damaged road. But when inflammation goes down, circulation becomes smooth and steady again. Eating just a handful of walnuts per day can create measurable improvements. And finally, number 8, cayenne pepper. If you want fast results, fast warming, fast circulation, fast relief, cayenne pepper is unmatched. The compound capsaicin helps increase blood flow by stimulating nitric oxide and promoting vasodilation, which means widening of the blood vessels. People who suffer from cold feet, neuropathy, or tingling sensations often feel relief within minutes of consuming cayenne. You can sprinkle a little on food, add it to soups, or drink it in warm water with lemon for a powerful vascular boost. Remember, a little goes a long way. Now let's connect all of this together. The reason these 8 foods work so quickly is simple: they target the 2 biggest causes of poor circulation, narrow blood vessels and thick, static blood. When your vessels are narrow or inflamed, blood struggles to pass through. And when your blood is thick, sticky, or filled with toxins, it moves slowly, leaving your hands cold, your legs heavy, and your brain foggy. But when you combine foods that widen your blood vessels with foods that thin and energize your blood, you create a powerful, natural treatment. Imagine waking up tomorrow with warmer feet, lighter legs, and more energy. Imagine going for a walk without feeling that uncomfortable heaviness. Imagine feeling warmth return to your hands and fingers even in cold weather. All of this starts with your choices today. And you don't need all 8 foods every day, just pick 2 or 3 and make them part of your routine. Start your morning with lemon water and a handful of walnuts. Add spinach and garlic to your lunch. Drink beetroot juice or ginger tea in the afternoon. Enjoy a small piece of dark chocolate after dinner. Sprinkle a bit of cayenne pepper on your soup. These simple actions can transform your circulation in 12 hours, and dramatically improve it over the next few days and weeks. Your body is always trying to heal itself. It just needs the right tools. And now you have them. These foods are more than ingredients, they're medicine found in nature. So don't wait for poor circulation to slow down your life even more. Take action today. Your heart will thank you, your legs will thank you, and your future self will thank you even more.